Shout out to Biggie Cheese. Biggie Cheese. Oh, look at this.
Wait, back up. Back up. Back up.
What?
Back up.
Oh, actually, I know how to make a bigger one. Ready?
Grab my foot.
Cannonball! Oh no, what are my shorts? Alright, dude, look at this. It's like I'm walking on Jello. Hello? Hello there? Dude, look, there's even algae here. Look at that.
Gross.
Oh, it's a yellow jacket. We know we don't have our socks on or shoes.
Yeah.
Ugh.
This is weird.
I know.
I'm very tall and it goes up past my...
Dude, this is crazy.
I wonder if this sprinkler has anything to do with...
Oh yeah, I forgot to show that. Alright. I'm gonna walk through and this will be it. I know, like, how did it get flooded? It was flooded so long, algae and seaweed was able to grow. Oh. Don't worry, it'll dry off. Dude, look, it's the rock I threw in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I got that on camera. That's gonna become a meme. I got that on camera. Someone make that a meme, please. Or this meme. Sir, I will sue you and I will win. Look. Rushes into there. Goes over there. Get over here real quick. Ocean man. With a dragonfly. Look at that. It's flooded. Alright, I'll get back to the park and I'll conclude this video. Thank you again for watching. Here's dude. If you could lend any information about how this flooded, it has not rained. Not rained at all. It's a drought. You just got all this water. Also, shout out to Biggie Cheese again. Check out his channel. He's gone quiet for the past few months, but still, check him out. We need to revive him. He needs to make a new song, and then we can revive him. Dude, it feels nice.
My socks are now soaked.
Oh wow. I'm gonna walk up this